Uh, yeah. Ballin'. Tryna get this paper. I don't see these haters. Feds, watching. I don't want a case. Stack this paper. Do this real estate. Ballin'. Feeling like a Laker. LA crib. Yeah, right by the Lakers. Couple cribs. That's a lot of paper. Couple cribs. That's a lot of neighbors. Flip Your Worth TV, back for another one. So we back here today at the downtown compound. As you can see, got a lot going on. Got a lot of my different contractors here working, and it's bright. Got my AC guy, got my electrician, got landscapers, got plumbers. We got everything. So I'm gonna walk y'all through, show you what's going on. Check this out together. My landscaper right there. Electrician right here. Alright. So we're inside. I did have my plumbers. They were working over here a little while ago, getting some stuff done. But this is everybody. Seems like everybody upstairs. The framing guys. Got my all the glass going in. So got all my glass going in right now. You see they working on the glass. Cause you see these got these huge glasses, huge panes of glass that was sitting here. When I bought the house, they were all broken out. So you already know that was a massive expense. All of these have to be replaced. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 13 panes of glass that have to be replaced. So we getting that knocked out. But you know, my motto, get everything, get a bunch of things going at the same time. Just come up here. I got my HVAC guys working right here.
Well, the wall ain't that big. The door's gonna be hanging on this way, so this can actually go over probably about right here on this.
All my electrical guys. Electrical working. How you feeling?
Alright, this room is a series.
AC guys working. See what's going on. Cut through here. Got my framing guys here doing their thing. My AC guy was just in here running the ducts for the bathroom. The bathroom's right here. It's gonna be the bathroom. The walls moving back. Plumbing already taken out. I did another video, there's another vlog where I told you about the beam that was coming up this Master Street. They're working on that now, but I'm going to send a video for you guys so you can really see what's going on. Right here. This right here is going to be the balcony. The balcony to your master. I'm gonna put a fence up here, a rail. A nice rail. Gotta patch up the concrete here. See this? framed up. And we do the brick. The whole brick is gonna be the whole side of the house is gonna be black. The house is gonna be a combination of black and white. And these stairs right here are gonna come down. But yeah, that's a wrap for this vlog. Gave you a quick overview of what's going on. Stay tuned, there's gonna be a lot more in this house because as you see, this is a big project. So subscribe to the channel. This is the downtown compound. Flip your Worth TV. Hit that bell for notifications so you know when the latest vlog drops. Like the videos, I appreciate it, and I'm gonna keep giving y'all more. On that note, I'm out. Y'all keep hustling. Go get that bag. Holla at me.